Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear learners of class 8. How are you? I am fine. I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah and safe at home. Stay safe at home. Okay, I am introducing myself. This is Sharmin Islam, Assistant English Teacher of AK School and College. Now this time we are suffering very crucial moment for COVID-19 coronavirus. That's why our Honorable Principal Sir, Alhaj Fazlul Haq Sir, organized for your study continuously such an online class for you. So I special thanks to our Honorable Principal Sir and our authority and pray also for them. Let's start our class, my dear students. I talked about narration, our grammatical point, narration's basic rules. It will very helpful for you. Please, at first we have to know what is narration. The definition, the speech of the person is called narration. That means narration, what a person say, that is narration. Kinds or types of narration. There are two kinds of narration: direct speech and indirect speech. Listen please. If the speech is directly described directly, is called direct speech. For example, Rohim said to me, I am ill. Please, Rohim said to me. Is it clear? Is it visible to you? Okay. Rohim said to me, I am ill. Okay, this is direct speech. Now, above sentence, the speaker's speech is directly. Second one, indirect. Indirect speech, Rohim said to me is Rohim told me that here, indirect speech, if the speech is not directly described, is called indirect speech. Here, the speech is described indirectly. Rohim told me that he. Here, I use told instead of said to. Here, I use told instead of said to me, and here I use that instead of invited comma. And I, and this is past tense, so I use here was, that he was ill. Okay. There are two divisions changing narration of rules. Direct speech. There are two divisions changing narrations, general and fundamental, primary, same word. Please, the rules which are used in all sentences in changing narration is called primary, general, fundamental, এই রুলস সেম ওয়ার্ড জেনারেল ফান্ডামেন্টাল প্রাইমারি একটাই ওকে দ্য রুলস হুইচ আর ইউজড ইন অল সেন্টেন্সেস ইজ changing narration. Now please, these rules are of three types. These rules are of three types. Number one, the rules of changing person. Rules of changing person or number. The rules of changing person or number. Number two, the rules of changing tense. Tense. And number three, the words of distance and the rules of changing distance or vicinity. Distance and vicinity. Vicinity means near. Distance and vicinity. New word for you, just near. Okay, is it clear? I think, is it clear to you? Reported speech is changed according to reporting verb. There are some structural rules of changing narration. Please, can I erase it for your better understanding? I am writing here. Please, you note the point. Reporting verb, and here reported speech. Please follow subject plus object and here subject plus verb plus object. Okay, here first person follow করবে first person and here subject. Okay, and object follows second person and third person unchanged. Please listen. Reported speech is changed according to reporting verb. That's why reported speeches first person and reported speeches first person object first person follows reporting verb subject. Same way, reported speeches second person and reported speeches object second object follows reporting verbs object and third person unchangeable. That's, I think you got your points and rules you must follow. Please, another point, I just give you basic rules of narration. It will very helpful for your learning narration. Another one, there are used 6 sentences for changing direct to indirect. I just here 6 used, used 6 tenses. 6 tenses for changing direct to indirect speech. Direct 6 tenses used, 6 tenses. Direct, indirect. Indirect. Place direct and indirect. There are used 6 tenses for changing. Used 6 tenses for changing narration. Narration. Such as present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense will be past. Past indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense will be past indefinite tense when we change narration in direct to indirect. Such as, for example, play. Play will be played. Played. Present continuous. Continuous will be past continuous. Note the point, please. Number 1, number 2. For example, am playing. Am playing was playing. Is it visible? Please note it. Number 3, present perfect. Perfect will be past. Past perfect. Past perfect. For example, have played. Have played. Played will be had played. Had played. Number 4, 1. Present perfect. Perfect. Continuous will be past perfect continuous. Continuous. For example, have been playing. Have been playing and past perfect had been playing. Number 5 and 6, please follow. 5, past. Past indefinite. Past indefinite will be Past perfect. Past perfect. Played. Played. Had played. Had played. And finally 6. 1. Past continuous. Past continuous will be past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Past continuous was playing. Was playing. Had been playing. Had been playing. So I think you got the main points and the game of tense. When you complete your narration. Now I just give you 5 sentences in changing narration. 5. The changes of 5 sentences in narration: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. That's sentences. Just for example, follow it. The changes of 5 sentences. The changes of 5 sentences is in narration. In narration. Number 1 is assertive. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. For example, direct. Lena said, I have cooked rice. Lena said, I have cooked rice. Here indirect. Here indirect. Follow please. Lena said that. Here I used instead of that, use instead of invited comma. She please, I changed, had cooked rice. Same way, number 2. Interrogative. Interrogative, please, direct. Direct. Direct speech. Lima said to me, are you ill? Said to me, are you ill? Here, indirect. Indirect. Lima asked. Asked. Follow my dear students. Here I use asked instead of said to. Me that if here I use if instead of comma. I was ill. Okay. Number 3. Imperative sentence, direct. Imperative sentence, direct. The teacher says, always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. Here, indirect. The teacher advise, order, any types. Here I use the teacher advise. Advises to, I use here to instead of comma or invited comma. Advise to always speak the truth, because it is truthful word or truthful sentence. To always, I use small letter here. Always speak the truth. Okay. Number 4. Optative. Optative sentence, direct. Mr. Zakir. said may Allah bless you. Bless you. My dear students, here indirect will be Mr. Zakir. Zakir said. Here pray or wished I use. Mr. Zakir prayed. Prayed. I use here instead of past tense. Here said. Prayed. That. Here wished that Allah might bless me. Number 5, last one. Exclamatory sentence, direct. Mr. Fahim said how nice the idea is. How nice the idea is. Here exclamatory sign and invited comma finish, and indirect here Mr. Fahim exclaimed. Exclaimed I use here instead of said. Exclaimed that idea was very nice. Nice. There are so many vast rules. Just I try to basic rules of narration. That's all, my dear boys. If you want to gather knowledge about narration, you must practice more and more. And thanks for watching my class, and stay with me. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.